Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Advisory. This is your second part of the Showing Up series. So, we're going to talk about classroom habits. Okay. What if you had, call it a dream team, of the greatest basketball players ever lived, right? You got Michael Jordan, LeBron James, Magic Johnson, Kevin Durant, whoever your top stars are. Think of like creating a team. If you're a coach of this team, you're guaranteed to win, right? But then something happens. Your amazing players run up to the basket, but they don't shoot. They don't shoot the entire game. So you lose and you've scored 0 points and you got all these awesome dudes on your team. Okay. So school is the same way, sort of. No matter who you are, you will lose if you allow yourself to score 0 points by not turning in assignments. Okay. So even the greatest players need to shoot in order to score. Okay. So this is going to be a little bit about like, what does it mean to not turn in assignments? What does that look like? What kind of grade will I get if I'm not turning in my assignments? Okay, we're going to walk through it a little bit. Here is an example. Okay, so it may seem harmless to just miss an assignment, right? You're like, oh, I forgot to do that. Oops, right? But every time you don't turn in an assignment, you get a 0%, which you very well might be very familiar with. You might not, but if you are, you know what that is. So it's like 0. It says missing 0 on your Schoology. Okay, so let's imagine that you have 10 assignments in each class. So think of like these bricks here as each one's an assignment. Each one is worth 10% of your grade. So if you get 1 0, you could still get an A. But that means you have to get 100% on the other 9 assignments. So if you got 1 0 and the rest of them, you have to get 100% to get an A. So you're sort of setting yourself up to have to work extra hard on those other assignments to make up for that one that you missed. Okay, you don't want to get a 0 on an assignment, and this is another example why. So now look at this one. Now you need to get 100 on 8 assignments to get a B. To get a B too. You can't even get an A anymore. That's like off the table. Okay. You look to the right here. Now you need to get, if you got 3 zeros, now you need to get 100% on 7 assignments just to get a C, and you can't even get a B anymore. You can't get an A anymore. You can't get a B anymore. The best you could do is get a C, and that's only if you get 100% on 7 assignments, guys. Okay? So as you can see, it is impossible to be a good student if you don't turn everything in. Like to be a good student in the sense of grades, right? The rules of the game. So if you view it as a game, right? We're talking about this game metaphor. School is actually pretty simple if you think of it this way. Show up every day and do your best. Turn in every assignment because you're looking at these bricks and like, oh my God, I can't even get a B anymore, right? If you've missed 3 assignments, you can't even get a B. So if you do these things, you show up and you turn in your assignments, you will score all the points, right? You're going to succeed. With that said, do you have any zeros that you can make up? Some of them you might be past the point where you can make them up anymore. It's dependent on the class. All classes are different. What you're going to do today is you're going to log into your Schoology. You are going to choose the class that you have the lowest grade in, and you're going to find assignments that you're still able to be turned in. And then you're going to do them because you still got time left in advisory to like at least get in there and try to start on one. So if, again, right now, you're all going to look into your Schoology. You're going to choose the class that you have the lowest grade in. I'm sure you know which class that is, okay? You're going to look at the assignments. How many zeros do you have? You're going to click on some that you can redo and still turn it in, and you're going to do them, okay? And not only are you going to do them in your advisory class, but you're also Now you've walked through and you've seen the damage it can do if you have a 0. So I want you to just focus on these assignments between now and the end of the semester until the deadline. And this is what you want to get turned in so that you can get those grades up. So thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.